Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming, and you can see my video now is really blurry. But what if I tell you guys, if you accidentally recorded your video in very blurry, your phone camera is out of focus, or you accidentally record in a low resolution format, and you guys can instantly turn it into crystal clear format like this, alright, with just a software itself. And how am I supposed to do that? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the Winxvideo AI, and it uses AI to enhance and upscale your photos and videos into a much better quality and clarity as well. So like I said earlier on, if you forget, you carry your camera settings and you set it to like low resolution, out of focus, all this and that, or some of your old photos, old videos from like years ago, and you want to make them into more clearer, so that to relieve your past experience and just to see your old photos or videos, old memories, all this into a newer version and a clearer version of that. Well, you guys can do that with this Winxvideo AI. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself and what other features you can do, so you guys can see for yourself how incredible this thing is, alright, to upscale your photos and videos right away. Alright, so behind me, this is the software itself, and you guys can see they have a lot of other features you have over here, but today we're mainly focusing on the image and the video itself. So let's just begin with the video itself. So if I go to video, alright, you guys can select a footage, alright, and later I'm going to upload a footage, but you guys can see, you guys can select your GPU, alright, deinterlacing, how you want it to be. You guys can select certain AI model as well. Different AI model, they have this description here, like Gen Detail V3, they have generate more details, more clarity, more sharpness. Alright, they can also deblur, denoise, alright, all this and that. They also has a real smooth, and they also have description or like how you make it smoother. They also have anime as well, all this and that, alright, and 𝖩.𝖥𝖾ísi디L is used to upscale and enhance low resolution real world video images. So maybe I'll just go with Gen Detail V3. I think that sounds really good. You guys can have high quality mode or fast mode. Scale, you want to scale it to 1080p, or even 4K as well. You guys can scale the resolution, or you guys can set certain resolution you want. You want to turn it into 4K, 2K as well. I'm going to just leave it to 2K. Alright, you guys can select frame interpolation or stabilization if the image or the footage is shaky. Alright, but let me just show you some demo footage I have over here. Alright, you guys can see these are the videos of mine, and it was recorded like back in 2013, so that is over 13 years ago. And you guys can see the video is you can see it, but it's not very clear. You guys can see the details is very blur as well. Alright, you guys can see, you can't really read the words all this here. It's just like, because it's the 2013 quality, it's probably recorded in 480p or at most 720p, so it's not that clear. So I'm gonna just drag and drop this into here itself. Alright, so they will start generating more image details itself. Alright, so I'm gonna just wait for it to download the AI model and let it do the generation itself. Alright, you guys can see I'm exporting it in 2K itself, and now, alright, you guys can see if I were to also, the original was in 720p, you guys can see right over here, and this is the enhanced version. Alright, and if I were to zoom in, alright, you guys can see the details itself of everything. You guys can see, I love it when they have side by side. So you guys can see, alright, the candy looks much more crystal clear, looks much more shinier, and all the details you guys can see, even the square, all this, alright, is like blur at the sides, but it is very clear on the on this side. So you guys can see, alright, they have a difference as well. Let me just make this bigger so you guys can have a better look at this itself. Alright, so now it's bigger and you guys can see the details for yourself. Okay, it is so much sharper. I'm zooming in 109%. You guys can see, alright, all the details here. You see that the light reflection is so much sharper and it's so much nicer. You guys can see all the candies. Alright, if you look just side by side, alright, where to put the feet, alright, guys, if you just see side by side, okay, this is the left side, this is the right side, this is in 720p, this is 4K. You guys can see the difference in clarity is the next level. Let me just show you, zoom into the words itself. You guys can see now the words are much more readable compared to the blurriness. Alright, you guys can see over here it is much more clearer over here, although it's still can't even read, but you guys can see it's much more sharper. The black are blacker, so it just looks, overall the whole video will looks much better. So once you're done, you guys can export it, and then you guys can also select your frame rate, your quality level, and what format you want, which is really cool. Let me just move my head aside. All right, so you guys can see, or you guys can select the format as well. You guys can change to any other format you want it to be exported to. So this is a really useful features, or especially as content creator like us. All right, we always sometimes our camera can be out of focus, set the wrong resolution, all this and that. We can use this to help out with the video to make it look so much better and so much sharper. Alright, so let me just demo you with another video again so you guys can see for yourself again, alright, how good it is. So let me just go to demo videos, probably like this video itself. Okay, you guys can see, alright, it's a bit shaky, and you know the video quality is probably recorded in 720p because this is also a 2017 video as well. So we're gonna drag it in over here, alright, and we're gonna just wait for it to download the image file again. Alright, let me just make this bigger again. Okay, and then we're gonna add in stabilization as well. So we're gonna analyze the stabilization because it's very shaky just now, as you've seen from the demo itself. So I'm gonna make it less shaky right now. So it's analyzing it, and then you click on run and it will start exporting out. Alright, as you guys can see, it is exporting out frame by frame. Okay, so right now my video has been exported over here. So let's take a look at the before first. Okay, so let me just show you the before again first. Alright, so let's just show you the before video first. So this is the before video. Alright, you guys can see it's not that clear. So this is the before one. Keep in mind this is the before one. So yeah, there's like shakiness to it. You guys can see it's very shaky. Alright, and the video is in 720p. Alright, so now let's take a look at the exported one. This is in 2K and edit stabilization. So let's take a look at that. You guys can see, alright, it just looks like, alright, this video is taken on a gimbal itself. You can see the reflection, how much sharper it is, alright, and it just looks so much better. You guys can see there's no shakiness to it. Is it? You can see there is no shakiness to it. It's like it's taken on a gimbal. That is how incredible this thing is, alright. If I can play both videos side by side. Can I play both? I can't play both videos side by side. But you guys can see, alright, when the car is driving well, you guys can see this is original footage. Yeah, it is shaky. It's very shaky, very blurry. You guys can see. Alright, you guys can see all the stop sign, all this is very blurry in the background itself. Alright, compared to the exported one, the upscaled and stabilized one, you guys can see. Alright, if I stop here, you guys can see the details are very clear. The stop sign and the bin are also very clear as well. Alright, you guys can see, alright, and it is very stable. So this is how incredible this thing is, alright. Imagine, you know, as a content creator, you've just been to these places, you only can take one footage itself, alright, and when you are previewing, just say, oh crap, I forgot to turn on my stabilization on my camera, all this and that, and it's so shaky, and there's no way of you like going back to the same area and retake or reshoot again. So most of the time you have to use this kind of software to pre-process it, and it looks so much better, and it's like it just literally just looks like I'm taking this alright back in 2013 with a gimbal itself. So this is how amazingly alright this thing works alright for video as well. Let's go with image as well. So let me just demo for you the demo pictures, show you one of the images itself. Okay, so this is me when I was young. Alright, you guys can see it is okay photo, alright. It's just like, but the details are like, you can see me, I was like so young and it's like so blur. So it was taken back in 2012 or something, so it's just way long ago. Alright, so let me just edit this into the Winxvideo AI. Let me just make this bigger. Alright, and now you guys can see, alright, you guys can as well select the model that you want to use here as well. You guys can select model settings, the resolution in 4K. Alright, so I'm now, this is a very low resolution photo. I'm changing it into a 4K photo right now, so I'm upscaling it to 4K. I can also enhance the image, I can do face restoration, colorizing monochrome image. What does this do is basically if you have a black and white photo of like your grandparents or something and you want to colorize it to make it more modern, you guys can use this as well, which is really incredible. But let me just show you what you can do with pictures. Let's see if I zoom in. You guys can see the details. Look at that. Look at how clear this thing is. Okay, the frame looks so much sharper. Alright, compared to the old one. Alright, the details on my shirt, you guys can see. Alright, this is very grainy and this is just like, super sharp. Alright, so yeah, you guys can see how incredible this is. Alright, even the penguin itself, you guys can see so much sharper. The overall detail just looks so much better for the modern, display. So if you just want to use this to print it out in the photos, all this, alright, for a photo frame, all this, alright, you wouldn't want to print out an old photo that's blur. You want to print out something that is like, much sharper, and it looks so much better. So yeah, if you guys want to like upscale, restore, or just monochrome your old photos, or like just want to update your old memories, old photos, old videos, or like as a content creator you messed up like one of the shots or one of the shoots and you want to make it better and want to make it clearer for the client, well, you guys can always use this Winxvideo AI and start making your videos way better. Alright, so if you guys are interested to get this Winxvideo AI, I'll link them the first link in the description down below, and you guys can go ahead and download it right away. So like I said, this can be a really time saver. You don't have to reshoot, and as a content creator like me, alright, if you're one of them, alright, this will be very time saving and a lifesaver for you, especially if you mess up certain shoot, certain shots, all this and that, alright. Instead of like reshooting again, adjusting the lighting, all this and that, you guys can just import the footage into here and just upscale it, stabilize it, do whatever you want with it using the AI itself, and the AI works really well, really fast, alright, and it's really incredible. So if you guys want to check out this, alright, Winxvideo AI, once again, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this, alright, and get this software for yourself right now and start enhancing your videos and photos right away. So yeah, that's all for the guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you're going to use this for. And yeah, that's all for the guys, and this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.